Here's a few raking tips for you to help your back. One of the things you want to be careful of is that you don't lock your knees out. You always want to be in a good athletic supported position. So unlock your knees, sink your bottom back, and this is going to protect your back. So as you're raking, think of stepping forward with the rake. I'm still in that good position, and now I'm going to step back with the rake to go this way. When you leave your feet and just reach forward all the time, you can see how that's not a good position for the back. So use your legs, keep your knees bent a little bit. Always keep the rake in front of you. If you stand and go in all these different fan patterns, bending and twisting will always irritate a back. So wherever you're going, you're gonna move. So I'm gonna move myself in this fan pattern so that I'm always got my rake directly in front of me and I'm moving with it. Now if you've got, I'm gonna come right here, put all this together. Now when you wanna pick this up, same thing, don't bend over, take your bottom down and back. So I'm gonna take my hips, I'm gonna drop them down and back, and I can reach down, pick up, and now I'm gonna turn my feet to put it in my basket or my trash can or wheelbarrow, whatever it is. Don't leave your feet and pivot. If you twist and pivot, your back's gonna bother you at the end of the day.